Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. Today I'll be showing you how to insert or remove your SIM card and SD card out of your Samsung Galaxy S7. So let's go ahead and get straight to the point. Your SIM card is going to be located here at the top left corner. We're going to use our SIM card eject tool and push it out. Just like that. And this is your SIM card tray. The SD card goes at the top. SIM card goes at the bottom. Just like that. And now make sure that when you reinsert it back in, that the hole is pointed towards the right of the device. And go ahead and push it in. You might have to hold the SIM card while you're inserting it. Just like that. And you're all set.